Initiating System 1. System 1 loaded.
Hello friends, this is Vikram from Webhouse Institute Smrala. So in the last video, in our edit PDF video, we saw how to edit PDF exactly the way it should be. So to edit that PDF we need a software called MS Office 2016, 19 or 365. So in this video we are going to download and install that particular software. So let us see, in our video and or in the last video you need to come down to the description first of all. So here we have show more, so click on the show more, and afterwards we have MS Office download link, and to open this link we have WinMount, that is used to open RAR file. Okay, so we need to download these two particular softwares. So guys, click on this link. Now click here and download. So now it will zip the file and download it for you. So guys, you will have to wait for some time because this file is around about 2.6 GB. So it is going to take some time. Guys, as you can see, I have downloaded these two files in my computer. So here we have Office Pro Plus 2016. It is a RAR file actually, it is not an object file, so we need to rename this first. Right click, rename, and delete this extension to make it RAR file. Okay, so .rar. So now to open this RAR file we need WinMount software. Okay, so open the WinMount, then WinMount setup, double click on this, then yes, next, next, install. So it will be installed very soon. So it has got, close this browser, click OK and finish. So here we got WinMount software. Okay, so close this. Now let us open our file inside WinMount. Right click, open with WinMount application. So we need to extract the file actually. So let us click on extract to. Click on OK. So as you can see, it has started extraction. So it is extracting. So guys, it has been extracted by WinRAR software. So now we need to open this extracted folder, Microsoft Office Pro Plus. Double click on this and click on setup.exe. Okay, and then yes. Okay, so where is that? Got it. It will start very soon, so you need to wait for like half a minute. So guys, as you can see, installation has finished. Click on close. So now guys, you need not to skip this video. So now we have to open any software that is contained by MS Office. Let us open MS Word. So you need to click here, then WORD Word, MS Word 2016, enter. So it is opening. So yes, MS Word, then click on yes, okay, blank document. As you can see guys, enter a product key here. So you need a product key. So we don't have a product key, we don't have need to connect to the internet. We need to activate this software. So as you can see, blank document. I am able to write something, but as you can see, first accept. I will not be able to do the changes in this. Okay, so I need to activate this software. So for that we have KMS Auto. Double click on this software that is already inside our MS Office, that is downloaded from the drive. Okay, so double click on KMS Auto net.exe. Yes, then activation, then activate Office. It is running. So guys, here you need to remember one thing. Before activating this software, you need to open MS Word at least once. Afterwards you will be able to do so. You will be able to activate this. So click on OK. Click on Office 2016, this one. So it is running. So wait for 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, it depends on the computer speed also. So as you can see, running is not appearing here now. So you need to click on this cross. So here we will see some text coming out. So you need to wait. So as you can see, activating. So guys, here you may see that task created in task scheduler. You may see this message here also, or you can see this message in this window also. Okay, so whenever you see this message, task created in the task scheduler, that means you are done. Okay, so let us click on this cut or try to close this window. Now let us open MS Word again. Now it is not going to ask for any kind of product key or anything like that. So click on yes. Okay, so as you can see, it is not demanding any product key. Blank document, and now it will be editable. You can save, you can do anything. It has been made full version. Okay, so that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and stay safe.